Hello, and once again, good day, and good morning, real estate. Okay, for this tutorial, ipla-plot natin using, magpla-plot tayo yung ating title, no, using lot plotter yung sa Juportal. Kasi last time, di ba, yung ating pina-plot is yung sa Lucena. So ngayon naman, itong sa property sa Bohol, no, Carmen, Bohol. So I will just show to you kung paano yung magpa-plot, no, actual recording kung paano mag-plot gamit ang Juportal na website. Okay, so ito, so assuming no na yung link na click na, so ito na yung interface ng ating juportal.gov.ph. Ito yung lot plotter. Okay. So first, may na-plot na kasi ako. So new lang muna tayo ha. Yan. Okay, yan, new. So first, hanapin natin itong anong province. So dito, Bohol. Okay. Bohol, province of Bohol. Yan. Then municipality of Carmen. Yan, municipality of Carmen. Then of course, hanapin natin yung kadastral, no? So kadastral is BLLM number 1. Yun. BLLM, saan ba yun? BLLM. BLLM number 1391D of Carmen Cadastre. Yan, okay. So first nating gagawin is add corner. So add corner kasi from ito yun ha, from the type point, no, BLL number 1 papuntang first corner sa ating subject property. So from type point dito kita natin from type point, no, so north, ilang degree ba to? 76, then 52 minutes, then yan, west. Ang distance niya is 349.49 meters. 349.49 meters. So meaning from the type point, no, papuntang subject property is 349 meters, 76 degree, 52 minutes going to west. Add natin yan. So from here, so from first corner going to second corner, yan, hanapin natin. So that is south, 33, 40 minutes, going to east, 22.30 meters. Yan, frontage. Yan. Add corner. Yan. Okay. Then, from point 2 to 3, that is south. South. Then, 56. Then, 10. Going, ano ba to? West. Then, ang distance niya, is 30.12. 30.12. Yan. Okay. Next, from corner 3 to 4. Corner 3 to 4. South. 55. 46. West. 0.87. Yan. 0.87. 0.87. So, that is from corner 3 to 4. So ngayon naman, 4 to 5. So ano ba to? Para ano to? No, hindi klaro kasi. Well, parang north. North 40.57. 40 57 going to west. Distance niya is 20.72. Add. Next, from corner 5 to 6, corner 5 to 6, north 53 08 east 30. Add corner. So from corner 6 to 7, ano to, para south 53 12 east. Distance niya is 33.37. 33.37. That is from corner 6 to 1, original. Then, tingnan natin kung mag-close ba. Done. Nako, mali. May mali. So, pag ganito, parang may error, no? So, close polygon, no. So, ang gawin lang natin dito, so, yan. Parang may mali. Parang ito is, ano to, north. Paibabaw. Tingnan natin. Close ba? Done. Yan. Okay. So, close polygon, yes. So, try to check sa mapa. Google Map. Yan, dito siya bumagsak. Punta dito. Okay. So, what we need to do next is, of course, dito, i-export po natin ito. Yan. Export. Dito, tingnan ninyo, export. So, Carmen, poblasyon ang barangay, poblasyon Carmen, Bohol. Okay yan. Okay. So, tingnan nyo, ano siya, dalawa ang kanyang output, no? KML file at saka itong CSV, Excel. Yan. So, check natin. Okay. Output, yan. Hintay lang. Yan. So, after this, mayroon na tayong KML. Ito yung ilo-load natin sa ating QGIS. Kasi mas okay ito for me, mas okay ito for tutorial purposes, demonstration, compare sa CSV. Okay, so yan, dito lang muna tayo sa ating tutorial on paano magpla-plot using lot plotter ng GeoPortal. Okay, once again, good afternoon.